Is really, I think at this point, probably the best at manufacturing in the auto industry, which I think what nobody was expecting.
Tesla produced an impressive number of about 28,000 vehicles per week in the third quarter. But during a recent meeting, Musk disclosed that they are developing an even more insane plan to allow the company to produce up to 40,000 vehicles per week, bring the manufacturing capacity to 2.08 million cars by 2022.
And no one is even close to Tesla.
So how is Tesla going to do it, and what'll be the benefits? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already and ringing the bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content.
You know, I'm running around the production line trying to fix the production line, just like a maniac, sort of Tasmanian devil, just running around the factory like a lunatic.
Tesla aims to produce well above 2 million vehicles in 2023. And the good news is that Tesla can accomplish this goal by the end of the year. Speaking at the annual Barron Investment Conference in New York, Musk said that by the end of the year, Tesla aims to reach production levels of 40,000 vehicles per week.
You know, I think we've got a good chance of exiting this year at 40,000 vehicles a week.
Thus, it's estimated that in the fourth quarter, the company will deliver 520,000 vehicles, an increase of 176,170 vehicles compared to the previous quarter. This means that within the next 2 months, the company will reach a production capacity of about 2.08 million vehicles per year. Moreover, keep in mind that Giga Berlin and Giga Texas will continue to increase production, bringing the production figure for that year well above 2 million units and making it a huge success in 2023. For comparison, GM told investors the automaker intended to accelerate the production of EVs. They're aiming to deliver 400,000 vehicles in North America during 2022 and 2023. But their output is 5.2 times lower than that of Tesla's. However, the Bolt EV and EUV had been recalled last year for manufacturing defects in the battery packs built by LG Energy Solution, which could cause fires. So, General Motors and Microvast are cooperating to develop a special separator technology that can be used in future Ultium batteries. We all know new technologies take a long time to develop, so GM's goal of 1 million vehicles may face many challenges ahead, and it'll be difficult to surpass Tesla. With the potential to be able to produce 520,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter, how much revenue will that earn Tesla? Tesla delivered 343,830 vehicles in the quarter, and 365,923 vehicles were produced. Since automotive sales for the quarter were at $17,785 million, the average price of a delivered vehicle before taxes was roughly $51,726. Meanwhile, GM only sold 15,200 EVs in the third quarter, and its revenue at $410 million is only 1/43 times that of Tesla. We conducted our own calculations, and it's estimated that Tesla will earn $26,897 million from electric cars in the fourth quarter. This marks a very strong growth for Tesla. So why was Tesla able to increase production so dramatically? And what makes Elon Musk so sure when claiming Tesla's capacity? In addition to upgrading machinery and technology, Tesla is looking to replicate the massive success that it achieved at Giga Shanghai, but now in the United States, by bringing some 200 engineers and production staff from its recently upgraded factory in Shanghai to its Fremont plant. It'll last at least 3 months, and the first workers are being sent out as soon as this month. Fremont remains a key producer of Tesla's vehicles across markets worldwide, and it'll only serve as another major boost to quarterly and annual production numbers at a rate of over 600,000 units. With the presence of these engineers, it's expected that the Fremont plant can increase its capacity to 1 million vehicles annually, which would equal to that of Giga Shanghai. And of course, people like to undermine China's manufacturing success by saying that it's all about cheap labor. But to be fair, you can't ignore Chinese manufacturing and engineering talent. In 2020, China produced 1.38 million engineering bachelor's degrees. In comparison, the United States only gave out 197,000 engineering degrees. This is a smart move for Tesla to bring some of that talent to the US, even if it's just for a short period of time. And you can bet that if this approach is successful, those same engineers are also going to take trips to Texas and Germany soon. So that goal of 2 million cars per factory is getting closer and closer. So as you can see, Tesla's manufacturing performance is an important metric for investors to evaluate the company and its profitability, which is why the company is of great interest. But does that mean that Tesla is a good investment when it comes to stocks?
And many times I've recommended people don't invest in Tesla, and I've said our stock is too high, but then people just ignore me.
Since Tesla's CEO Elon Musk announced this bid to buy social network site Twitter, shares in his electric vehicle maker have dipped by more than 35%. In contrast, GM shares closed that week at the $39 per share mark. Although GM stock shows signs of increasing, its valuation is 5.3 times lower than Tesla's. Renowned investor Ron Barron remains bullish on Tesla. The investor believes that in 2025, the company's shares will be worth about $500 to $600 each, and in 8 to 10 years, the total value of the company will be about $4.5 trillion, up by about 570% from current levels. The calculations behind Barron's bullish target are based on Tesla significantly expanding its business over the next decade, selling about 20 million vehicles a year. The investor emphasizes that the bullish case outlined solely by the contribution of Tesla vehicle to revenue does not include other impressively profitable areas such as autonomous cars, robots, and batteries that the company is working on right now. So there are so many things happening at Tesla that it's hard for big competitors to keep up. How do you feel about Tesla's output? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Otherwise, that's it for today's episode. We sincerely thank you for watching and for all of your support of our channel. And as always, if you enjoyed our video, please leave us a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell to stay up to date on exciting developments in the world of EVs and green technology. Once again, we thank you so much and we hope to see you again next time. Until then, take care and be safe.